Hello, Adventure Demo Don, 2018 Demo Don here. Hey, I got two baby birds sitting on my little step here. I'll focus back just a little bit. Yeah, I'm at home. Yeah. Here they are, just two baby birds sitting on the steps. Yeah. What do you think about it? Yeah, nice. And I want to focus on just a little bit. Yeah, I think I'll make a short little video. Yeah, we're gonna leave them alone, and you all have a great day. Oh, one more thing. I do have a TikTok and Facebook and this channel, YouTube. All same names. Adventure Demo Don 2018. Go there, and I'll see you all over there. You all have a great day.